Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share how to delete the CJ Dropshipping account. Let's dive right in. On your desktop, open your browser and go to cjdropshipping.com. It will take you to the website homepage. On the website homepage, move your cursor toward the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile name. Now, you are on the dashboard. In the navigation bar at the left side of the screen, click on the profile option just under the dashboard option. You are on your account profile page. In the top option bar, tap on the account security section. Here you can see the delete account option. Click on the delete button next to it. Next, scroll down to the end and toggle on the terms and conditions option, and then tap the next button. Now enter the verification code that CJ Dropshipping sent you at your email address and click on the confirm button. There you have it. This is how you can delete CJ Dropshipping account. Thanks for watching.